Guys, I think DJI just made the perfect drone para sa mga beginners. And honestly, this might be the drone that will make a lot of people finally enter the drone content creation industry. Because this is the brand new DJI Leto X1. And this is basically the DJI's newest, affordable, beginner-friendly drone light up, and technically the spiritual, I can say, successor of the legendary Mavic Mini series. But eto yung scary part. For the price na ito na malalaman mo mamaya, guys, napaka-loaded, sobrang loaded ng DJI Leto X1. Imagine this, you will get a 4K 60 FPS and even up to 100 FPS on slow motion. It has an active drop, it have obstacle sensing, cinematic smart shots, 15km transmission under 249 grams, and napaka super beginner friendly. Guys, this feels like DJI made a drone specifically for the newest, for the greatest, for the aspirational content creators. Once again, this is James Apante, also known as Kuya James, and now James Pipito. Tara, pag-usapan natin ang bagong DJI drone, which is the DJI Leto X1. So guys, tara, unbox muna natin siya, guys. So right out of the box, this is the DJI Leto X1. We have the, what bundle is actually this one? I don't think they have a other bundle, but as you can see here, makikita nyo naman na it's ultra lightweight, no? Which is 249 grams, and nasa likod po niya yung kanyang mga inclusions. Very, very simple, and actually, maliit lang yung box niya compared sa mga Mavic Mini series, guys. So, first time kong makakita, guys, ng ganito kaliit na drone, and at the same time, 4K 60 or even 4K 100 FPS. Like before, if you're gonna spend, or if you want to actually achieve those 4K 60 FPS, you need to spend 80 to 100,000 pesos. But here we are in 2026, na you would just need to spend 20,000 pesos and below, and makukuha mo na yung 4K 60 FPS. Like, how crazy is that? So, napaka-straightforward ng kanyang box. This is the drone itself. And here we have the inclusion right away para tumuksan. We have the props. Ilang props ang extra niya? Dalawang pair of props, which is the positive and the negative. Mini screwdriver, a cable, lightning and Type-C. Ba't lightning and Type-C siya? Okay, isa lang yung kasama niya. Malalaman natin mamaya. It has the remote, and it has a, of course, di mawawala ang DJI stickers. So the remote itself, ito guys yung medyo old school, no? Compared sa mga ibang lineup guys ng DJI right now, which is the, I can say, the Mavic series. It always comes with the remote na may kasama pong crystal sky display. So this is the remote na kasama niya. This is the RC-N3 remote, which basically, dito mo ilalagay yung kanyang or ating mga cellphone. And ayun, okay, na-realize ko na kung bakit iisa lang siya. Has a built-in cable for Type-C. And just in case na wala kang Type-C, nasa lightning ka pa rin, DJI still has you covered. So, next we have the drone itself, guys. Ito naman, honestly, actually, napakagaan nga niya. I think 249 grams is already included na yung battery. This is the camera itself. In fairness, it's actually a 3-axis gimbal, which actually sinufold mo lang siya pa ganyan, pa ganon, pa ganon, and pa ganon. And there you have the drone itself. So, if matagal mo lang gusto bumili ng drone, pero natatakot na dahil maybe let's say mahirap siyang gamitin, baka mabangga, baka madaling mawala, or masyadong technical, actually, I think this drone maybe is for you because DJI positioned the DJI Leto X1 as the premier beginner drone for everybody. Meaning, this drone will be very, very easily, sobrang dali niyang gamitin, pero hindi siya cheap. First of all, guys, this is again under 249 grams. And guys, this is super important, guys. Hear me out because legally, guys, we know that, drones are actually super duper sensitive na right now in terms of legality in a lot of countries, including the Philippines. But once your drone goes above 249 grams, usually mas marami siyang restrictions, registration requirements, permits sa mga kailangan, and even you need to actually acquire require a license to operate. But because the DJI Leto X1 is below 249 grams, meaning it will be less hassle na gamitin, especially for travelers, vloggers, content creators, and people flying internationally. Hindi mo kailangan mag-acquire ng mga license to operate or permits most of the time. I am not saying 100%, but most of the time, as long as it's 250 below, starting 249 grams, hindi mo nakakailanganin ng mga bagay na yon. So, pwede ka magpaalam verbally and they will not require you a legal or actually actual permit already. Meaning, this will be more travel friendly, easier airport experience whenever hand carry mo siya, hindi ka na maka-question, and it's easier to bring abroad whenever kailangan mo. And of course, overall, it will be a lot easier for beginners to enter this specific hobby. And honestly, that is why weight class became the super popular competition factor ng mga drones right now, because DJI knows that people actually want and need convenience at the same time, especially if they want to fly a drone. Physically, super duper liit niya guys. Right now, pag pinold mo siya, ito yung magiging itsura niya. Wala siyang bag pag binili mo siya, and I can say naman guys na kasyang-kasya naman to guys sa mga sling bag natin. This is the type of the drone na pwede mo talagang madala kahit saan, whether beach, road trip, travel vlogs, motor rides, lifestyle vlogs, or content shoot guys. Like even nga actually kung may jacket ka, kasyang-kasya. Super duper compact neto. And at the same time, pag pinalipad mo siya, less intimidating gamitin sa public. Now eto guys, dito ako pinaka na-impress guys, because for a budget-friendly drone napaka-lakas and napaka-qualified ng camera specification ng drone na to. You're getting a 1/1.3 inch sensor. You're getting a 48 megapixel photo resolution. You're getting a 4K 60 FPS HDR video, and you're getting a 4K 100 FPS slow motion video. Plus, you get a vertical recording. Guys, that vertical recording feature, super duper important yan, especially right now, because TikTok, Reels, mga shorts, alam nyo na yun. Literal guys, pwede ka mag-shoot guys diretso dito sa drone na to ng pang social media upload mo. No need for heavy cropping, and honestly, the footage actually looks very good, especially competing at this price range guys, you cannot even complain. Ito yung klase ng footage na pag in-upload mo online, people won't actually believe na budget drone lang ang gamit mo. And eto guys yung pinaka-exciting, DJI made cinematic content creation for drones super easy, because the DJI Leto X1 has a active track, which is basically ito yung susundan kanya automatically guys. So meron din siya mga quick shots, meron din siya mga master shots, and even has other smart cinema camera moves na hindi mo kailangan actually controlin sa joystick whenever gusto mo. Guys, before, you need literally years, even ako nag-train ako before of drone experience for you to able to actually achieve this. But now, isang pindot lang through your phone, through your remote, na literally kahit beginner ka, magiging mukhang professional agad yung content journey mo. Now, ito yung pinaka-important guys, I can say for a lot of beginners out there, because most people fear one thing: paano pag bumangga yung drone? The DJI Leto X1 has a obstacle sensing, forward-facing LiDAR sensors, dalawa pa yan guys, left and right. A smart return to home, automatically pag nawalan po siya ng signal, automatically po siyang uuwi guys kung saan mo siya pinalipad. A advanced stabilization system guys whenever kailangan mo, meaning it will be more safe paliparin. And actually, ito yung isa sa mga biggest upgrades ng mga DJI drones right now. Like super duper advanced na po nila compared sa mga previous drone way back 3 years ago nung nag-drone pa ako. Because they are actually making drones, ang goal ng DJI, to be more beginner-friendly than ever. So kahit first time mo gumamit guys ng mga DJI drones, I can say and I can guarantee that it will be a lot less stressful compared before. And guys, 15 kilometers transmission. Legit. 15 kilometers, 15,000 meters. That is literally crazy. It will give you a stable signal guys, whether kahit napakalayo ng drone mo. It will give you a clear live feed guys. It will give you smoother controls guys, kasi napakaganda ng drone na to. And it will give you a total more confident flying experience because of those, again, 15 kilometer feature. And the DJI transmission system, honestly guys, based on my experience guys, even the DJI Neo 2 na wala po actually yung remote na gamit mo yung phone, industry leading talaga. Now, battery life guys dito rin sobrang panalo guys ng DJI Leto X1 because it can go up to 36 minutes of flight time using the standard battery na makukuha mo pag binili mo tong drone na to. And if gagamit ka naman ng tinatawag nilang optional plus battery, this drone can fly up to almost 1 hour actually, or to be exact, 52 minutes. Guys, that is actually literally insane for a drone na ganito kalit. Imagine guys you will have a more longer shooting sessions guys. So actually guys, even you can treat this drone like a toy. Like even hindi ka nag-shoot, paliparad-paliparin mo lang guys, 52 minutes. Grabe, napakatagal nun guys. Like makaka-4 na ml ka na nun guys in just one battery. It will give you less interruption guys, more enjoyable experience, less battery anxiety, and more cinematic takes just in case na magaling ka na mag-shoot gamit ang DJI Leto X1. And for content creators, battery life is actually everything. Because minsan isang perfect sunset shot lang, isang take lang, isang travel moment lang, pwede lang maging viral ang content mo. And eto pa yung sobrang convenient guys about this drone. It has a built-in internal storage. Like this is super duper crazy guys. If again babalikan ko yung drone days ko before, grabe, like you would really need to spend a lot of money guys para ma-achieve yung mga feature na meron tong drone na to right now. It has a around 42 gigabytes if I am not mistaken onboard storage guys. So meaning kahit wala ka pang micro SD cards, kung hindi mo pa afford especially, pwede ka na mag-shoot straight away. In case naman guys na makakalimutin ka sa SD card katulad ko or nawala mo SD card mo, yung kailangan mo na mag-shoot, you can definitely go shoot on the go. Super useful, especially kapag nakalimutan mo SD card mo, emergency content shoot, and underestimated or unexpected travel situations. Then meron din siyang tinatawag na quick transfer guys. So ano yung quick transfers? Basically, ito yung feature na pwede mo agad ilipat yung footage mo, let's say sobrang excited ka, after mo mag-shoot without removing the SD card. As long as nakakonect yung phone mo dito sa remote. And according to DJI, transfer speed can reach up to 50 Mbps through Wi-Fi 6 na ginagamit din ng drone na to. So literal, shoot, transfer, edit, upload to TikTok, short or reel, or kung saan mo man gusto. So, I can say, sobrang creator-friendly. And honestly, ito yung tingin ko naman na pinakamalaking selling point ng DJI Leto X1. DJI made cinematic drones more accessible than ever. Because before, again guys, again, based on my experience, I totally agree with this. Drone content creation was number one expensive, complicated, and at the same time, pag ginagamit mo sa labas, napaka-intimidating. But now, DJI actually made a drone where kahit beginner ka, kaya mong gumawa or kaya mong magkaroon ng professional looking drone shots. So, para kanino ang DJI Leto X1? Honestly, halos lahat. So, as long as gusto mo ng drone, I can say this drone is actually for you. So, especially content creator ka, vlogger, travelers, riders, lifestyle content creators, TikTok creators, or just beginners na gusto talaga magka-drone, and even experienced users guys, this can easily become your daily carry drone. And for professional drone pilots, this can be your, I can say, backup drone because of the size, convenience, portability, cinematic quality it has, and beginner friendliness that also the DJI Leto X1 has. Damn, this drone is actually literally a game changer. And honestly, I think this is going to be one of the DJI's best-selling drones of the year 2026 and up to the year of 2027 because this hits the perfect balance of affordability, portability, cinematic quality, smart features, and beginner friendliness. And honestly, I think the DJI Leto X1 will be one of the DJI's best-selling drone out there. In case naghahanap guys ng discounted na DJI Leto X1, I have attached a link in the description with a discounted price, free shipping, and cash on delivery nationwide guys. So mag-check out na lang kayo dyan sa baba in case na kailangan at gusto ninyo. Once again, this is James Apante, also known as Kuy James, and now James Repito. See you on the next one.